Hi folks, Carl Sugar here, and real quickly, I just want to show you how to save a lot of money on your domain names that are being hosted on places like GoDaddy and also Namecheap, and there's a lot of others that will charge you a lot. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to show you kind of quickly the pricing sheet, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So that way you can transfer your domains effortlessly, quickly, and you can always come back to this video and refresh when you need to, because I often forget, and that's actually the reason why I'm making the video, is so that way I can just go here when I need to and I can make a change. So real quickly, looking at the GoDaddy, you can see right here their renewal prices are $21.99 per year for .com, .net's $24.99, .org. These are kind of like the three most commonly used. Sometimes they do promotions where they'll sell you the domain for a penny, but make sure that you read the small print, because the small print might say that you're required to renew up to 3 years. So you end up getting stuck with them for the next couple of years, but then when those domain names become available, then you can go ahead and transfer them over to Cloudflare. So I do have a pricing list here on Cloudflare. Let me see, I think I have a better one. This is a pricing list I found online for Cloudflare. It is up to date because I did double check that. But on their .com is $10.44. Renewal is $10.44. .org is 7.5, and then the renewal is 10.11. .net's 11.84, and the renewal is the same. So they're really big on just no BS pricing. They actually don't have this. They basically just their cost savings directly to you as being a register, and then on top of that, they also will host your domains for a lot of security benefits, network benefits, and so a lot of times even some of the apps that you use out there require you to use Cloudflare. So you might as well just either buy your domains there from the start, or just start working on transitioning and transferring the domains that you have from your other services. Now, like I said, some of them, like Namecheap, might be a really good deal for you to register in the first year, but then on the second year, you might want to transfer it. The other thing that Cloudflare does too is, let's say the renewal isn't for up to 6 months to a year out, you can actually still transfer that over and really just pay the difference, which is kind of a neat little service that they have. So it kind of doesn't really matter when you decide, but I decide to transfer mine when I get really close. So I'm going to go ahead and dive right into it. I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your domain names from GoDaddy over to Cloudflare and save you over half the money. Let's go ahead and get started. So right now I've got this stixhub.com available or ready for me to move. So let's go here. I can go manage here, but I'm just going to go up here and go to domains, and then I'm going to click on StixHub. Now I've been slowly but surely moving them over. You want to go to DNS, and you want to go to name servers. And the first thing we want to do is actually pull the name server over. So I'm going to change the name servers to use my own. And then you're going to basically go into your Cloudflare account. I'm not going to show you how to set up a Cloudflare account, but they are free. So let's go ahead and copy this, paste it in, and do a quick scan. Use the free account. You don't need to use the paid accounts. And this was an old project that I had a long time ago, so it's got a lot of weird C names and stuff connected to it, but they're no longer any good anyway, so just hit continue to activate. Okay, so now it's telling me I need to connect these name servers, so I'm going to copy this one, copy, paste, hit save, yep, I consent, and it's in progress. So a couple of things that I'm going to do once this gets set up. I'm going to go to a spot where it says I can transfer. Let's see, right here. Transfer to, so I'm going to unlock the domain. And so basically what that's going to do is it should allow me to transfer this domain over. I'm just seeing if this is a doc or something for that. So this could be an issue because the renewal on this is going to be coming up. Today's 5th, and I think the renewal's on the 8th or the 9th. So hopefully they do this part a little bit faster, but I'm just going to hit continue. So they did give me an authorization code, but I doubt it's going to be propagated here. Let's just go ahead and hit continue on Cloudflare and check name servers. So it's going to take a minute, and I'm just going to go ahead and end the video here and start a new video when it is changed, and I'll combine the two. Okay, so I'm back here, and it looks like it's gone through. It actually went through about 30 minutes. I came back and refreshed the page, and it said great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. So now what we need to do is go to, so let me go ahead and find that. I have to click here, domain registration, this might be it. It's gonna show me supposedly all the ones I can move over. You can just move them all over and they give you like extra time on it. But let's just see. That's not here yet. I'm not seeing it. So I'm going to have to, wait, let's see here. Transfer domains. Here's where you should see it. So these are the domains that I have that I can switch over, and you can see the price. So like .net is $11.84. .coms are $10.44. So they're all, that's what you pay per year, and probably not going to find that price anywhere else. Okay. So this is the one, register status, client transferred prohibited, please unlock and allow a few hours to update. So it's going to take a few hours for this next session. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it here and I'll see you on the next part. So only a few hours later, I was able to see that StixHub is now finally in my transfer domains list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, click there. Now you can see it expires on the 8th and today is like the 5th. So it definitely can happen pretty quickly. So I'm going to hit confirm. Now it's asking for the authorization code, which I did get from GoDaddy. I'm going to go ahead and copy that real quick, place it in here, confirm and process. It's going to just ask me how to pay. So I'm going to go ahead and hit PayPal, previously authorized. Go ahead and pay with PayPal. This doesn't want to, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and try a different way. There we go. Okay, now it's authorizing. Doesn't seem like it went through. So now you can see that transfers are now underway. And that should be about it. So I'm going to go ahead and end this. Again, this was just to show you how you can transfer your domains from GoDaddy over to Cloudflare and save you quite a bit of money. Save you, I don't know, $12 or so every single domain that you have over there. Take care.